Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to schedule Instagram post. For this, first of all, just open up the Instagram. Just have to make sure that your account is a professional account in order to go and schedule content. If your account isn't already a professional account, which basically means a creator account or business account, I will show you how you can do that. You just have to tap on your profile picture, tap on these three bars in the top right corner, and then scroll down and tap on this creator tools and controls. Scroll down again and you have to tap on this switch account type. Now you will see here switch to professional account. As I already have a professional account, so you just have to tap on professional account and just make sure to switch on professional account. After switching, just go back to your Instagram profile and now you have to create an Instagram post. Or I will tap on this plus button in the bottom of the Instagram, then tap on this next in the top right, and now you can add filters, music, and then tap on next again in the bottom right. And then what you can do is you can add caption here like whatever you want. You can tag people, you can add music, you can add label, all that stuff. And if you scroll down at the very bottom, you can see this option advanced settings. Just tap on it and now you can see this first option schedule this post. You just have to toggle this on and now you can select the date, time, on what date or time you want to schedule. Let's say I'm going for this Sunday 14th of July and then at 10:15 p.m. You just have to simply tap on this done and now you can see our post is scheduled now. Now if you go back, you can simply tap on this continue scheduling and tap on this schedule. And now your post is scheduled. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.